I'm going to show you how to use the Investec Coda pack that we built to do some really cool things. So first we have to create API keys inside my Investec tools, programmable banking, individual connections. I'm just hiding my personal stuff, but we're going to create a new API key called my Coda test. Let's go. I'm going to choose an account and choose some permissions. So it's up to you what permissions you choose, but these are the ones I'm picking for the demo. Now we got to install the Coda pack. So we have our client ID and secret, and we're just going to take client ID : secret, and we need to put that through a function. So I'm going to grab it and go equals encoders base 64 and put it in quotes. Great. So these are the two credentials that we need for the Coda pack to be installed. So as you can see on the right, I have my Investec pack. You can just search for it. I'm going to click on it and add to doc, put in my credentials and the API key that we created. And we should be good to go. So now I can just choose whether people that have access to the doc can control it and read my data. For now, I'm just going to say everyone can use this pack if I've given them permission. Now let's build something cool. So I'm going to pull in a building block for my accounts. And there they are. And then I'm also going to pull in my beneficiaries, but I don't want you to see them. And now we're going to make a button. So let's say pay beneficiary, and then put in the account ID. I'm going to pull it out of my accounts table for my private bank account. You can also just put in static data there. And I'm going to pull in my landlord's beneficiary ID. And we'll pay them R1. The reference for me can be rent, and the reference for them can be my name. Almost done. Let's just give it a label and add an icon. So let's go for a house. Cool. So now if we click this button, it makes an API request with our credentials from Coda to our Investec account. And pays our rent, and we can just check our transactions. I actually paid my friend instead of my landlord because I thought that would be too weird, but there's our R1 transaction that just happened today. How cool is that? So Coda has so many more functions. I thought it would be cool to set up an automation. So what we can do is say at the beginning of every month, we want to push that button. So I'm going to say push button pay rent. And if we turn this on, our rent gets paid automatically every month based on our rules. So I think that's super powerful. There's so much more you can do with like treasury management, inter-account transfers. You can set up all sorts of complex formulas. But one of the really cool things is you can use all the other Coda packs to interface with this Investec Coda pack. So if we check out over here, there's make for automations and workflows. There's if this then that, which you can connect to lots of things. There's like calendar integrations. Maybe you want to do like event-based payments. It works with Google and Microsoft calendars. Slack notifications, Slack controls, Excel and Google spreadsheets. So really the sky's the limit with what you can connect in here. It's super, super powerful, and I'd love for you to give it a try and see what you can build to take control of your finances. If you have any feedback or need some troubleshooting, just drop me a mail, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you build.